to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne, he's speaking about the event that was Donna's birthday party that she had. And he is speaking about, Kris and also Ashanti at the party. He had a lot to say about Kris and also Ashanti, but he was saying a lot about Kris. And he was asking Donna, why is it that she would have done that? So, what I want to know is, what do you guys think? Do you think that, based on what he's saying, he is going back on his words about, people coming together and making peace? Or do you think it's um, something relevant that he's speaking where, Kris shouldn't have, tried to shake hands with Ashanti then in per se? And do you think that Donna is right for what she did? And, you know, um, go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section so, that we could know and see, what's your thought on this. And we would say happy birthday, happy belated birthday to Donna. And I wish you all the best this year, as always. And guys, just go ahead and catch the video and hear what Dwayne has to say because he has a lot to say about the event and, about Kris in general as well. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday and I wish you prosperity and everything that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies out there, my followers, my friends, my supporters, wherever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful rest of the day.
Now I'm gonna be serious, man. I'll be serious now. I'm gonna be serious now. You know what I did not like? You see me, I can't be a hypocrite. I cannot be a hypocrite. And bear in mind, you can see that Kris don't have no damn shame. He not a fucking shame. Majesty, you don't have no fucking shame. Yes, there's like a dog. I go back on the vomit. He's a fucking dog. Sorry about the expletive. Very sorry. We have to talk. It was like a dog without a shame. A mongrel dog, mind you. I don't care what nobody say. Let me tell you something. You see me? I'm like this. You see, if you hurt me, hear me out. If you hurt me to a level that me say is unforgivable, me not chat to you. And I don't care if people is pushing me to talk to you. Me not chat to you. I'm not gonna do it. I cannot lower my standards. Or I just can't. Bear in mind, enough of out here have done me way less things than on do to each other. Right? And this is the truth. So enough of out here have done me way less than what on do to each other. And yes, we know that it was a moment to celebrate Donna. It was a beautiful moment. Everybody could have still sit in their own corner and enjoy the moment, right? Keep it cordial. Now, just keep it cordial. And when we see last night, that tell me, say, Kris, you don't have no shame. You have no fucking shame. Because it was like about a week ago, the people in them dog you out. Every opportunity them get them dog you out. Every opportunity them dog you out. And Ashanti, this is not me coming at you in a disrespectful way. Me I talk my mind. You two, you're not ashamed neither. You're not ashamed neither. You two are not ashamed. Because if me a cuss out somebody, dog ratting, and them a cuss me out, dog rat, then again, the people, they're not cuss you out, but they're not cuss you out. But you always take the opportunity for the dog him out. And him know this. And because of Donna, Kris is like a damn dog. He's a dog. Yeah. Kalina, he looked so uncomfortable. Did you see it? He looked so damn uncomfortable. We see it. You see it, my girl? It's a blouse and skirt. Donna, why are you doing this to this man? Let me fling it in there. But I fling it in. Why are you this to Kris? You don't love him. Kris, why are you doing this to yourself? Not everything is about clout. You see me? I don't give a shit. Fuck on clout. Let me sit down over here, so. Cause let me tell you no. Most of you have done way less things. I'm not chat to no. I'm not chat to no. I would never chat to no. I want to do me less than what I want to do to each other. Kris, I can remember Ashanti come out and say, yeah, I have heads. I make heads cake. And that he say. He say, then cuss you last week, then cuss out the blouse, then cuss your man, and call your shit up. Then dog you out. And you like a idiot, got down a party, and a shake hand, with somebody, said, he don't like you. He not like you, not like you. He would never like you. I don't care. Ashanti does not like LGBTQ people. He don't like them. He don't. So why is it that you are forcing yourself onto this man? Because of Donna. Move for yourself. You too love too much blood clad. Hello! You love too much lights. You love too much damn sweetie. You love too much sweets. Kris, you love too much sweets. I'm not care. You're not ashamed. He's a dog. You're disgracing us. Move your ass, club. Come out. Come out. You is not one of us no more. You is not one of us. Move for yourself. Move. You're a disgrace to us. I don't care. I'm gonna care what upset. I don't care. I want to be upset either. Him dog you all the time. In cuss your man. I can tell how uncomfortable you was last. You were so flipping uncomfortable. And UK. 99 should have not pushed it. She should have not pushed it. That is her problem. Sometimes she should leave things alone. When I trouble, I should bear in mind she's not. Bear in mind she should have left it alone. She should have left it alone, and Martha. She should have left it alone because he will never like him. He will never like no matter how hard Donna pushes. He will never like him. Never. And that is the truth. Kris, you're a dog. You're a flipping dog. He's a shameless dog. He's a shameless drunkard. I mean, I cuss him, I tell you the truth. He's like a dog will have lick up vomit. Move for yourself. Move. You're a disgrace to your damn self. And your flipping family. Move for yourself. This boy, him have a gay son. And you will never you out to a class and guess like in class you and class some way. But you like an idiot. You damn idiot. Instead of cuss you. Step out the line what you want cuss your backside. You bring shame over. You bring shame power. Move for yourself. You bring shame power. That's what I will never rate you. I will never rate you. Ever. As crippled as I am, as nasty as me look, I will never rate you. And I'm being real. Yes, a lot of you despise me. Despise me, just know say, I'm still not gonna like you. And after all of the despising, I'm still not gonna like you. So, all the despising, it won't. It's neither here nor there for me. It won't. It's not. Kris, you're a disgrace. You're shameless. And UK, okay, you say, got me take a screenshot. What you say? You say this. How are you there? Okay, you say, much more can be achieved with unity in the shop. One DMG. So can you tell me, say, I am talking about the event. I'm talking about it. Okay, you're telling me, say, only the shop alone should be unified? Okay, are you telling me only the shop alone should be unified? Okay. Me not really go too add by you because, you know, I mean, also your comment, it meant well, but I feel like your context should have been a little bit more broadened, right? Being of the stature that you are, a true head teacher, you should know unity should be a universal thing for everyone, not just for the shop. Understand? And I know you probably didn't realize what you were saying was a little bit like, you know, but I never appreciate it. I never appreciate it. And yes, if you come off, if you fucking come off, please do come off. Yes, leave. Because one is dogs just like them. I don't like me, I'm me first, never like Uno. Me first. But Majesty, you are a shameless dog. Very shameless. And yesterday solidified everything to me. But now me know say you're shameless. Shameless as fuck. Shameless. How can you stoop so low? How? I mean, me know what I'm gonna say. I'm me cripple, me look nasty, me teeth them brown, me look like Humpty Dumpty, Austin and cover. Okay, I accept all of those things. Me look sick. Like a Valley said, me look sick. Okay, Valley, I accept. I'm sick. But underneath all of those things, I have substance. I have values. I have ethics and shit. I have principles. True story. I have all of those things. And what Kris did yesterday showed to me he has none. He has none. To be fair, Kris was caught off guard. Because he was a damn fool. Him should have said no. Caught off guard or caught off guard. Not him should have said no. Him should have damn said no. Right? A lot of you don't like the truth. A lot of you don't like to hear the flipping truth. But Uno and them can fuck off and come kiss my black ass. And that's enough you know. Because I don't feel like so without you people. Hello? I never forced none of you to come here or to come by myself. If you don't want to come off, take on her ass off and come, but me tell her no come. Don't fucking come. Me nah beg you no. Kris is a shameless dog. And that me say. I mean, I take him back. He's shameless. How come Kazi never go, ooh, ooh. Why the Kazim have sense? Kazim have damn sense. Him have sense. Kazim shit. Why was the Kazim up there? Ha 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 ha. Why was he not up there doing it? Go away! On not come like a dog to no shit. On a big come off. I tell me that thing. You see what? To be fair, Kris was caught off guard and looked like a fish out of water. Sanja, it should have walked away. If you say, and at that time there, I walk away, I not care well what Donna said, no, it's not care. It should not give her ass. That me say. Hey! I'm glad. Hey, I don't care what I say. Listen, Kris is a fool. He's a fucking fool. And that tells me he's a flipping a big idiot. It was a hello. Me, I'm stronger than all of them. Me stronger than them. Me stronger than them. And me tell you no. Me not think about me strong. Hey, I'm a strong post-soul cripple boy. Me strong the bumble wall. Sorry, I'm sorry about the bad word. Sorry. Me tell you the truth. Me strong no fuck. Style your mother. Hug your mother. Go shake hand with your mother. Who for hand? After you do me for internet. And tax was not smoke. But hello. Dog, I will style you. And I will style you too. Come on to my face. And that when I say, look at damn fool. How dare you? You've brought disrepute to the community. You, Kris, you have brought disrepute to the community. And the people, the LGBTQ people, if you banish you, then if you banish your backside, and make a tan for your local island by yourself. You know, one pan. You know, one damn look like queer by yourself. You and Kazim. Actually, not take Kazim out the car. Kazim not take Kazim out there. Flinging in the cream your damn self. Because sit down there by yourself. That me say. Because he's a disgrace to us. He's a fucking disgrace. And I'm very upset. I am very upset. It burned me. It burned my backside. It burned my bumble. It burned me post stroke. It burned me. And it burned me ass. It burned me. And it burned me. But Ashanti, you didn't look good. You look alright. And me not care about that. Me care about what you do. Me care everything else you do. And you is a fucking Ashanti is a damn, he's a hypocrite too. He's a friggin' hypocrite. You is a hypocrite. See the one I know? The one I know a hypocrite. The one I know, that's what I'm telling me. I don't want nothing to do with none of the one I know want to start big back old fucking hypocrite. Hey, me go on bad, me go bad, you know? Me go on bad, me no want go on bad. The one I know is a whole idiot. So what else a whole hypocrite fool. Me can't come off the internet. The one I know. Cause I know is a disgrace to themselves. The one I know. That me say. That me say the one I know is a disgrace to themselves. Fucking disgrace. True. A big disgrace. Big. Jesus Christ. You see the one I know? I wish I could creep up in the one ball. I'm flinging on ball and just go flinging in the Pacific Ocean. The whole I know. Ah, Donna too. Donna, you are head the pack. You are head the damn pack. I put the one on in the damn ball and go flinging in the ocean. Cause the one I know a hypocrite. The one I know. That me say. Yeah, me know see I try to achieve something. But hello, that was not your place. That was not your place, Daddy. You're too enough. You're too enough. And you damn know the nasty. You hear me say? They told him I cuss each other. I lie tell pan Kris. Kris now cuss him. I am a cuss Kris. I am a cuss the gay people in my cuss way. I am a cuss way. Let me say we. In my cuss way. That is a hypocrite. And Your Majesty is a fucking hypocrite. Well, I know a hypocrite. I don't like that now. Again. I don't like no. Go away. I'm not cussing no. I'm not cussing no. I'm not cussing a sound. I talk in my opinion. I don't like what I don't like. I don't like it a backside. I'm not a hypocrite. And you see now, no more than ever, I see the one I know evil. The one is freaking evil people. No evil. On a wicked, the one I know. The one I know wicked, some wicked old people. You know, say, sometimes I begs with God. Sometimes I begs with God and come and ask God, how come so, to one more clock. And it's my ball now. It's my ball. If I go out them, if I eat up myself, I'll get upstairs and start ball. Una wicked. Kris is a fool. Kris is a damn fool. You're a disgrace, way. He's a fucking disgrace. You. Ashanti is a dog too. And you, I will never chat to you. But I can tell you, you look alright. But I'm not chat to you. I would never see her say hello. Yes, me look nasty. Me look nasty. I accept. Me look sick. I accept all of that. Me a cripple. I accept all of that. I accept it. But for me, to chat to anyone again, God have to come up with the fucking cross first.